After the Cameron Zoo, which I absolutely loved, I just had to come to my second stop. I already am giving it away if you know that building right there in Waco. I saw that on a TV show for years that I used to watch called Fixer Upper.
I was so excited to be here.
With the Gaines. And I guess they have like a whole complex, a compound with silos and stores and a restaurant. And I'm gonna go check it out. I am so excited. The food has arrived. Look at this bacon.
Thank you.
I'll be right back with some more freshly brewed.
Problem. Thank you. Take a picture.
Sausage.
Yeah, the potato looks amazing. I want a piece. Ah, there's the butter, cuidado.
All right, so I know I'm not in front of the restaurant anymore, but we were just at the 1928, the brasserie at 1928 at the hotel. Now right behind us is the silos and the whole Magnolia compound we're gonna go in.
The mystery is over, we know where we're going now.
We totally loved the food at the brasserie. So we had brunch. I had eggs, I had potatoes, I had some of the best potatoes actually I've had in a long time. They were so crunchy and delicious, and of course dairy free.
Oh yes.
I love that. They do not use any butter making their potatoes. Thank you for that. The bacon was nice and crispy. There was a house-made sausage I tried too. It was a little on the spicy side, but it was really good. Francis had the
poached, avocado toast with poached eggs on it.
And it was delicious, right?
Very nice. And
it was really nice. Morgan, shout out to her.
Yeah,
our server.
Great server.
So nice. We totally enjoyed that place. We walked around. We got to see the library.
Yes.
And they have another takeout counter for like coffee, pastries and stuff, and a little gift store that you can check out. And of course, if you stay at the hotel, you can enjoy that stuff all day long.
And you might get a glimpse of Chip and Joanna when you walk around the hotel. They usually come by very often.
They actually had the rooftop closed tonight for a private event.
Yeah.
And word on the street is that they were going to be showing up.
Yeah.
So we didn't see them, but maybe if you stop by, you just might.
Yes.
Let's go check out the compound.
Yeah.
So Magnolia Home.
Yeah.
Looks like the home store right here.
Correct.
We're coming up on the compound. It seems as though I guess parking can sometimes be tough, but we got lucky. I am feeling pretty lucky right now. I only had to walk like maybe what, 2 minutes down the street?
Correct. I know everybody knows you've moved for the dairy-free, restaurant looking for, but we actually, before you did your YouTube channel, we did a lot of house renovations, and we used to watch this show for several years.
That's right.
So now it's very nice to be here. Look all the roses.
Wow, this is a beautiful
Magnolia tree. That's what that is. It has a flower.
Look at that.
It smells nice in here. How it looks cool. There's the church. Smoke-free, vape-free, alcohol-free. Notice if it doesn't. Ah, so they do record people here, see? All right, yeah. Do not enter this area.
That's why I can film it.
Yeah, of course. How nice. I can't believe we made here. How cool.
Oh, there's a little church.
The church, I think you can go inside. Yeah, look, you can go inside.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, there's the Magnolia home. Wow.
Where should we start? That's the crisis.
Right?
There's so many little shops.
And that's like Disney World for people who like to design homes. How cool. Let's go in the church and start praying.
Okay.
All right. They have this, I think, a butterfly garden over here, so we're gonna go check it out, see how that looks like. This is pretty incredible, the design here. It's nice how they incorporate all the stuff. The design of the pots with the flowers. They actually planted stuff in there, an old car they called Willie. It was like we're behind someone else's beautiful backyard. So nice.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would have let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white.
All right, they're almost closing time and we're gonna go inside and try some of their coffee. We just got some vegan cookies. You wanna see how it is now in here? Thank you.
So this compound is incredible. You could probably spend all day here. I just got some coffee at the Magnolia Press. So it is a coffee shop. Sadly, no pastries on the menu are dairy-free for me. But however, if you travel right down the street in the same complex, like a 2-minute walk, you'll find the Silos Baking Company, and they did have only one, dairy-free vegan cookie. So it literally says right on it, vegan salted caramel chocolate chip cookie. I am quite excited to try it.
Can you
Thank you for having a vegan cookie. How great is this?
So you're gonna do actually live.
Let's
We're gonna
see.
open and try. We're gonna wait for you.
Okay. They're closing at 6, by the way. They keep announcing. But nobody's like really rushing you
Yeah.
out.
It
It's
is
kind
a-
of stuff.
It's kind of like a
see.
Disney World, right? Of the designing people.
Ah, there we go.
There we go.
Okay,
Now you open it.
here we are.
So let's see. The moment of truth.
Magnolia will be closing.
Mmm. So how is it?
It's delicious. I was actually checking. It's made with rice flour.
Rice flour.
So I think it's almost, don't quote me to this, I think it is gluten-free. I broke the package in half. I'm pretty sure it's gluten-free. It's quite delicious actually. I'm really excited. At least something that's dairy-free, right? If there's
Some
only one
hope.
thing, I'm happy.
The place is cool.
That tastes really, really good. With the coffee.
Probably complements the coffee, right? Very nice.
Very nice.
So that wraps up.
Yes, it does.
That wraps up our journey for the day. That's all the secrets. Oh no, it doesn't wrap up.
We're going to another hotel
Yeah, what's gonna happen next?
in Austin.
So they have to figure it out.
It's not Hotel Bella. It's a different hotel. It's on the list of the best hotels in Austin. So I chose another one. You'll have to check out my next video to see where it is. The question is though, is it gonna be old like the one we just stayed in? Or is it gonna be different? Or, I don't know, any of those things. I think it's gonna be quite different. It's gonna have a whole different vibe to it from what I saw. Not as scary review-wise, I don't think. So follow along and we'll check it out.